The Movement for Democratic Change (MDC) has fired its Secretary for Defense Shakespeare Mukoyi following what the party described as treacherous conduct. The decision comes in the wake of a hostile takeover of the party's headquarters last month, an action Mukoyi is accused of leading. MDC leader Douglas Munzora moved swiftly to dismiss Mukoyi, saying the party could not tolerate behavior that undermines internal order and constitutional processes. The expulsion marks another dramatic chapter in the ongoing power struggles within the opposition as the party continues to face internal turbulence over control, leadership, and legitimacy. Let's get to hear what you think about all this.